this evening. Now temperatures out at the airport right now is 50, so we've moved a total of 3 degrees. In fact, this is the low of the day right now is at 50, and we're not going to move a whole lot more from where we are right now. Notice 45 in Farmington, 46 in Mount Vernon. That's the same temperature at Mount Vernon as well as in Sparta that it was at 5 and 6 o'clock. So notice we're only going to see temperatures drop a few more degrees, if even this. This might be even a little too cool to our north. 42 in Mount Vernon, 43 in Farmington, 47 in Cape and Paducah and Murray, and upper 40s to our south. We're only going to fall maybe another 2 or 3 degrees, and that is about it. Storm Team Digital Doppler right now showing you we are watching some showers just off to our west. Some of our western counties starting to see some of that rain moving in for Wayne County, Missouri, St. Francis County, Iron, as well as Reynolds counties. And you can see over the last hour how these are all tracking almost due east. The St. Louis radar is picking up some maybe moderate showers with some of this. So not out of the question we could see maybe 1,500 to maybe 2/10 of an inch of rain through the system as it moves through overnight. Wider view showing you what's been going on over the last 6 hours or so on our radar and satellite composite. We were dry, but you can see this energy now sliding slowly off to the southeast. Precision Cast doing a pretty good job of indicating where the rain's going to be at. Notice as we go through the overnight hours, by 1 o'clock in the morning, still some moderate showers in place, especially down towards the Missouri Boot Heel. But by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, the rain is out of here, or at least it's exiting. And then through the day tomorrow, we're just going to be dealing with mainly cloudy skies throughout the afternoon. Winds will be out of the north at around 5 to maybe 12 miles per hour, and high temperatures not moving very much. Lower to middle 50s across the area under those overcast skies. Now the clouds will continue for at least the next 96 to 108 hours or so as this moisture keeps coming down our direction. Notice on Saturday, another little burst of clouds and even some moisture back out to the west. I mentioned it at 5 and 6. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a snowflake or two early Saturday morning as temperatures get down into the mid-30s. Notice as we go through Saturday afternoon, things begin to clear out, which then sets us up for the potential for our first widespread frost of the season, as I think temperatures will be down into the mid-30s on average by Sunday morning. The cool pocket's going to be sitting right over the top of us, and notice how it just sits around here for a couple of days. Finally exiting, Sunday we'll start to see our temperatures rebounding into the 50s, and then eventually we'll be into the 60s by early in the week, but another chance for rain coming on Wednesday. You know, I've done a lot of these air show rides where we've gone up and done acrobatic flights and stuff, but I've never done something like this. This is the plane I'll be jumping out of from 14,000 feet in about another hour or so. We'll talk again to my best buddy now, coming up in just a few minutes. You'll see more of these flying overhead, over the skies of Cape Girardeau. I'm John Dissauer, live at the Cape Regional Air Festival. We'll have more on this coming up.
At Rentland Park. John, how's it going out there?
You know, it's not going too bad. You know, we just needed to come out here a couple days before they open it up here at the park, just to break the field in a little bit. And
how's it going? Is it heating up out there?
It is heating up, and you know, something I'll suggest from the 5 or 6 years I've been out at this air show, 2 things I would bring with you either tonight or tomorrow. Bring some sunscreen with you, especially for tomorrow's show, because this concrete just reflects the sun up, and you'll notice people at work on Monday who's out at the air show over the weekend. Also, bring a chair or maybe an umbrella with you, because it'll help give you a little bit of shade, because there's not a lot of shade out here. One thing you'll notice on Saturdays, you'll see a lot of people sitting underneath the wings of some of the aircraft trying to find some shade. More about what's going on. Bruce Lloyd, the airport manager, was telling me last year they had about 12,000 people over the course of the weekend, so it's quite a few people coming out when they moved it down to 2 days. You might remember it used to be Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Now it's just the Friday, Saturday shows. But what you can see back behind me now is pretty cool. This is a Navy F-18 Super Hornet, and I'm going to come over here and talk to Lieutenant John DeSplinter here, who is the pilot of this aircraft.
Right now.
You know, I'm a little nervous as well, and excited at the same time. It's kind of a weird feeling, because I've never done something like this. The last couple of years, I've always done these aerobatic flights in the airplane itself, but never actually jumping out of one of these things. This is the U.S. Army aircraft with the U.S. Army Golden Ice. I want to introduce you to my new best bud. This is Sergeant First Class Mike Elliott.
On the ground.
And as I was joking with some of the folks back at the station, if anybody out here at the air show happens to hear a little kid screaming, it's probably not the kid screaming, it's probably me. Just look up and you'll see me screaming from up above.
John, quick question for you. Does your mother know you're doing this?
Yes, she does know. In fact, we've talked a couple times, and her first reaction was cool. And I won't say what some of the other things she was saying and asking me questions about, but yeah, she approves.
Okay.
And of course, you'll get to see the video of me jumping out of one of these, Kathy and Jeff.
You know, John, earlier you said not scream like a child. I thought it was scream like a girl.
I think it was like scream like a girl. You are correct. I was trying to be a little better about it than saying that, but thanks for calling me out.
That's what we're here for.
He's Army strong. Yeah. He is Army strong. All right, John,
Army
thanks.
strong.